Yeah, of course. I want to be, Mike's over here making 20,000 with like 8 contracts. So, I mean, I can make 20,000 with like 2 or 3. So, what could I do with like 8 or 9 contracts? Could I make maybe 100 G's? I don't normally stack that large. Usually my order sizes are a lot smaller than that. Ooh, nasty. Oh man, our stop didn't get taken. Oh my god, that's terrible. Silver's starting to catch a little bit of a bid. What's the market? I'm almost break even on my silver position. Be it as it may. ES is looking long, and Q's still holding. Oh, that's weird. I just got booted out of my what? What? That is weird. I just literally just got booted out of my platform. That's a quick 80 points. If you're going to trade sim, might as well trade 500 instead of 8 and make some real money. I don't know what that means. I don't know what that means, Bay Fisherman. I don't know what you're. I wouldn't buy 500 contracts because I couldn't afford 500 contracts. So it seems kind of foolish to want to buy that many contracts. But I guess you could. I'm not sure what your point is, unless you're trying to be sarcastic. Oh yeah, 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 yeah. Well, I do pretty good with like 1 or 2 contracts. So it's just making me rethink that, maybe I should, scale in a little bit larger and stuff. I didn't really, that's a lot of contracts, but I never really thought about going that far. I like to trade something I can afford to buy, with like real money, not like 500 that, yeah, I can't afford 500 contracts, man. I wish I could, but I can't. Ah, there we go. There we go. Those are working now. Let's make sure that we have the right ones. Trading, active, update. What's up, idle expert? How you doing out there? No, it's not bad. What are you talking about? We're doing great here. Long position is working out fairly well for us. Let's hold 69.70. I mean, so far we're doing pretty good right there. Look at that. I mean, it's not 500 contracts like you want, Bay Fisherman. I heard you said the other day you finally you got your eval passed, right? So you're back in funded. Let's go. It's good to see you out there in that funded account. Good morning, bad pawn. How are you doing out there? Good to see you. I'm out. Nice scalp on MES. I'm still holding this. I want to see if we'll keep going up. Oh my lord. Let's see what my silver is looking like. We're still 2% down on the day. Hmm. Still tough. We didn't take out the orb high from yesterday though. Looks like Steve's got a setup for more downside though. Market's trying to pivot towards the upside though. Oh, I feel you on that. Oh, she rejected off yesterday's orb on MES. Okay, okay. It should be the rip right here. Mm. What? Scared money over here? I feel you on that, bro. Hey, don't worry about it. It's all good. Why is this going so slow? Come on. Yeah, Bitcoin looks like it's catching a little bit of a bid here. We'll see though. Yeah, still making a nice move up. NQ finally tapped that orb high. Believe that. Sheesh. Cheese and rice. Looks like 8 contracts every 100 points is about 15K or so. Yeah, I kind of figured that. That's why I was like, if I take the trades I normally take and I'm larger scaled, it'll give me a much different position size. If ES hits 6,990, I'm gonna cry. I think it is gonna hit that, my friend. I think the QQQs and everything else are gonna rip up. I gotta set up for it. Yes, rejecting now. So is the NAS pulling back in. Pretty gross. Silver catching a rejection as well. Not so much with Bitcoin. Bitcoin's still holding up, trying to recover, it looks like. Look like silver might, but mm, not looking too hot. Yup. Well, Steve, he's a great trader. I'm gonna swap this out. IWN. Let's see what we got here. Mm. Ugh, nah, it's dipping. Silver still dipping. Bitcoin still holding. Oddly. Steve is selling it. He's selling the news right now. Ugh. Hmm. We got that hotter than expected PPI number today. That kind of affected us. Okay. Bitcoin long is working for us. We're up 40% on that long right now. Wow. Let's go. I'm gonna move my stop in the money for my Bitto trade. It's probably the bad idea to do because probably will get whipped out. We'll see though. We will see. Oh man, this is really dumping now. Oh, that's a pullback and a half. Healing Queen, supposedly so. Supposedly we're supposed to hear news on Trump picking that Fed chair today. Not sure though. Oof. Oh, okay. Kevin got it. Okay, so he did already pick it. Kevin Warshaw. Okay. Hmm. There's a crazy gap on silver to the upside. You could fill it if they want to. Nas looks like it wants to dip, but I think we'll I think we'll catch a bounce on it though. Fast fingers, exactly. How many of those am I in? Hmm. Silver catching that bid. Bitcoin struggling. My calls are still slightly green. My Bitcoin future position is green as well. Oh, what can we do on the NAC though? Nasdaq is. Hmm. Oof. Damn. Spread on that is crazy on silver. Dang. Okay. Huh. I'm almost break even on my silver position. Let's go. Come on, Bitcoin. Let's catch a bid. Let's rip it. Let's rip some faces off. That's what we need. We need Bitcoin to make a move. All right, let's go back to Nas. See what Nas is gonna do. Can she go or will she flop? Looks like the Bulls want to take it to the upside. All right, let's see here. The Russell is catching a nasty sell right now. Got like a nasty M there forming on Nas. The Russell is starting to catch a nasty sell though. Like it's like there's a lot of volume to the sell side. Man, Bitcoin just rejected pretty ugly as well. Oh shoot. Oh man. I should have left my stop in the money on that. Yep. Looks like Bitcoin is gonna start selling. Hmm. Take a look at Nas. Under that 4 hour support resistance, 25 876. Oh man. Dylan didn't look like it wants to break, so shorted 920.23. I feel you on that. I'm short the Russell right now. Risk silver dipping some more. I think the short is going to hold definitely. I'm up 33% on my Russell puts. Fine Pro. Hey, it is Friday, Fine Pro. If you want to come on up, you're more than welcome to come up on stage. I will bring you up. Just please make sure that you watch your language and just be aware that other viewers may be at work. So just kind of mind your P's and Q's with the stream. So let me bring you on stage though. If you have a question, more than glad to answer it. Hey, good morning. How's it going? How's it going,
Yes, sir. How
Doctor?
are you?
Oh, you sound like a robot, sir.
Oh, no.
I'm
Can you
gonna
hear
have to
me?
boot you from the stage, man. You sound like a
Can
robot.
you
I'm
hear me?
sorry. Sorry, my friend. You sound too much like a robot. If you can work out your internet issues, if you're having an issue trying to if you're having an issue trying to type in chat, it's because you need a verified role to type in this chat. So that is a requirement for this chat is that you do have to have a verified role. So just be aware of that, that if you're having issues, make sure to open up a ticket at Blue Sky Pro. That's bluesky.pro. You can go to that URL and you can type into support, open up a support ticket, and tell the fine folks there that you would like a verified role to be able to speak in this Discord channel. And that's all you got to do. And you'll be able to type in. If not, you'll be able to type in the help section, ask a question within our Discord. Those would be the sections you would be able to type in. So Hope that answers your question and helps you out, friend. Can you get much higher? Oh, oh. I'm up 44% on that Russell trade now. There goes NQ, really dipping now. I'm gonna cut this I bit long because I don't think it's gonna work. I'm already losing money on it. Yeah. I should probably switch my Let's see here. No, we are really getting that sell now. Jesus. No, she's really selling. Man, I can't believe this. Let's take a look at my IWN call puts. We're up 88% on those. I can put my stop in the money. I don't mind talking, but I won't. Yeah, if you guys want to come up on stage on Fridays, I don't have a problem bringing anybody up on stage. Really, it's just one of those things that I just want to make sure that if y'all do come on stage, you know, the background is not too loud, and just other folks are listening in wherever they're at. So if you got questions and stuff like that, yeah, you're more than welcome if you want to raise your hand and come up on Fridays. Fridays have always been like that. It's just that nobody takes advantage of it. Nobody raises their hands that they want to chat. So I just kind of like, okay. Like, you got no filters tomorrow? Hey, I got no filters, bro. And the Russell is really selling now, pushing further down. Looks like NASDAQ is going to continue to sell. Bitto is kind of holding. Silver is looking like it's going to continue selling. I should probably sell this position. See if I can re-enter my silver. Either that or switch over to something else to try to make some money, right? What is Bitcoin doing? Bitcoin looks like it wants to sell. Straight up. Oh my God, these puts on the Russ are freaking flying. We're up 113%. Bitto is actually making a move back up. It's bouncing. Let's look at the NAS. Same for the NAS. NAS is trying. Oh man, that sell is really kicking. Come on, baby, push it. Come on, Russ. $2 out the money on these puts. Two more whole dollars, and my toes are to happen. If you're looking at like zero DTEs or something like that, like IWN, you could be looking at a 254 put. I'm sorry, 257. Sorry, that's what I'm in right now. I'm in the 257s. That's kind of my target. We'll see though. You just have to change permissions. Oh, I can't change permissions. You would just have to raise your hand. That's all you got to do is raise your hand. I can bring you on stage. I can bring anybody on stage. Just like I said, you guys just gotta just watch your language. Make sure the background is quiet so we folks can hear you and it's not all like noisy and loud. I'm almost break even on those Bitcoin calls. Russell looks like it's making its next leg down. Actually, at a breakdown spot right now, pretty nasty. If it doesn't hold this, yeah, you're gonna see that sell really translate. You might get that teleportation down on the market today. I wonder. Could we get one of those days like today? Could today be one of those days that we get like a monster sell off on the market or something? Here goes Nas breaking lower. Oh, we're up 88% on these puts now. Let's go. That's good. Whew. I'm trying to buy this now. Oh my god, don't stop me out. No, don't stop me out. This could be a killer trade if this holds. Please don't stop me out. Wait, I'm just gonna kill this. Yeah, come on up, Bay Fisherman.
Just testing my mic here. Can you hear me all right?
Yep, we can hear you now.
Yeah, sometimes this microphone acts a little toothy, but yeah, it's cool, man. Thanks for having me on.
Yeah, no worries. How's your morning going for you so far?
It's good. I had a feeling it was going to be a little rangy like this. Took a long and took a short here, but it didn't break this 805.
Yeah, I just stopped out on my shorts on the Russell right now to like 2 points per con right now. I'm like back to break even on my Bitcoin longs right now. Silver, I'm down like 3%. And well, NASDAQ and Qs, I haven't taken a single trade on because, yeah, just not a decent structure I can see off of it. And their contracts are all juiced right now.
Yeah, I'm thinking that yesterday is just a first little glimpse of things to come, especially in February. I don't know what it is about February. Maybe it's earnings or something, but you get that market speed like yesterday. Sometimes it just feels untradeable. It's moving so fast. I think we're running into that phase. You can
Well,
kind of
yeah,
see it a
you've got a
little
lot
bit
of earnings
today.
going on. Plus, you got sector rotation around this quarter. Just like kind of like a mixed bag of all that stuff, kind of together.
Yeah, I'm tuning in from my private jet.
Cool.
Yeah, it looks like one of those days where it's probably gonna range here early, like I was saying before. And after those big
Yeah.
moves down, you usually see this kind of consolidation so they can set up all the longs and shorts on both sides of the range and then just sit there and, run stops and wash everybody.
Yeah, they start killing zero DTEs and stuff. Right, RQ does sound like a airplane, the airplane captain through the mic, right?
Yeah, I don't know what it's going on. Maybe it's where I work is just really dusty or something. But I've never had allergies my entire life. I'm like 58 now, and I've just had this weird chronic sinus thing. I mean, I don't feel bad, but it's just seems like it lingers, constantly. It's almost for like a year or two now. I'm not really sure what to do about it.
Wow.
So if I sound a little nasally, that's probably why.
Hmm. Well, it's probably the season, bunch of weather changes and stuff. That doesn't help either. I had my
Yeah,
allergies
I'm in.
kind of kicking up like a week or so ago. Then yeah, it just kind of went away. But I don't normally get bad around this season because I'm allergic to mountain cedar, so I don't usually get that until the summer down here. And even then, like in like my mid 40s, I kind of got over it and it kind of just went away. I stopped getting it. And like now it's like very rarely, if I go somewhere like a botanical gardens or something like that, it'll flare up, but not usually anymore. I used to
I've
struggle
got a
with it when I was younger though. It was not fun.
I've got a
Bitcoin is
big lot
struggling.
trader right here at 890. It looks like I'm gonna keep an eye on that price. Still holding short on the high.
Mm-hmm.
I don't know. That was pretty amazing. I mean, that's about as close to Black Swan event, with gold, silver, and Nasdaq. Just all the massive institutional selling. It's crazy.
Mm-hmm.
Seems like I saw or read something about tariff on Korea or somebody over there. Y'all hear anything about that?
No, I didn't hear anything about tariffs in Korea. Steve's going long, so the market's ripping. Seems like it. My Bitcoin long. Am I green on that position here? Barely green on it. Up 1% on that position. Goes yes to the upside.
Let's see, 919. Got an exhaustion level. Some divergences right there. I'll see if it rolls over back down here. Chris, is that your cash register ATM?
No, I don't have any sounds enabled like that on my side. I don't want to hear that
I
stuff.
yeah, I keep hearing cha-ching, cha-ching in the background.
It's because you're listening to Steve's stream.
Ah,
Yeah, sounds enabled. I don't have that stuff turned on. Hmm.
We get below this 890, we should go. Like they just kind of swept it and now they're back up above it. Got an upside target on up here ways around 970 if we do break out.
Yeah, we're we're close to it, but like the Russell is just a few points away from the breakdown spot as well. It's kind of weird the way the market is all kind of structured right now.
Yeah, I'm out of that short. That 890 look like it's trying to hold right there.
Yeah, see, like the Russell looks like it has a bear flag on it right now on the 5, and it's trying to push lower.
See if it can break out this time. Yeah, we got to get a close above this 919. If they're not going to give it up, I shorted it again right there. Really like to see this